Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily check the energy optimization for your Sharp 50 TV. So first let's start off by going to all settings. Now scroll a bit down until you guys see the privacy, and now scroll down until you guys see special app access. Here we have the energy optimization, and here we can optimize energy use of those apps right here. So if you do not want the energy optimization for an app, let's say, let me find something like the Kennel Plus app, you can just disable it by clicking OK on your TV remote, and this is how you guys can do that. So that'd be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and a comment. Bye.